In a bid to flag off the week-long activities marking the 2023 World Drug Day, the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency and the United Nations Office on Drug and Crime held this press conference to intimate the public on its efforts to stem the use of drug disorder in the country. The Ndlea boss, who was represented by the agency's secretary, says over 31,000 drug offenders were arrested in the last 29 months.
1.3 million people use drugs, and 1 in every 5 persons who had used drugs in the past is suffering from drug user disorder. In 29 months, we have arrested 31,675 drug offenders, including 35 barons. We have successfully prosecuted and convicted 5,147 of them, and over 11,000 other cases still pending in court nationwide, while 23,725 drug users have been counselled and rehabilitated, majority of them through brief interventions. In the same vein, about 6.3 million kilograms of various illicit substances have been recovered in response to our effort to strip up drugs and shut down distribution channels. We have destroyed 852.142 hectares of cannabis farm and dismantled trade clandestine methamphetamine laboratories. I can assure you that even as we speak, Ndlea agents are busy with interdiction activities somewhere. However, drug supply reduction is only one of the components of the equation. Another crucial component is drug demand reduction, which operationally means prevention.
Meanwhile, the United Nations Office on Drug and Crime country representative emphasized the need for all stakeholders to use the week in sustaining advocacy across schools as a preventive measure to drug use disorder.
Our children, especially our adolescents, with the necessary skills, life skills, that provide them the skills to withstand temptations of drug use, to handle drug use, to respond to drug use amongst their peers. And we have started, of course, together with the Federal Ministry of Education, with Ndlea and a lot of other partners, to roll out such programs in schools, but we have reached so far only around 100,000 children in school, and obviously there are millions that need to be reached when we're looking at all those that are presently in secondary education. And of course we have also a massive challenge that we're facing with regard to those children that are out of school, which are estimated somewhere around 11 to 12 million at present moment.
The 2023 World Day, which is tagged People First, Stop Stigma and Discrimination, Strengthening Prevention, is in furtherance of the whole of the society approach at taming the drug scourge. Kike Lomo Ukeri, Global Television News, Abuja.